Hey Kickstarter! Thank you for supporting us on our first project. We're back with the world's most compact and teachable camera slider so that you always get the perfect shot. Our Red Dot awarded design and engineering team has created a compact motion control tool perfect for video content creators. We've designed a beltless mechanism with 50 micron sensitivity which prevents jitters, jumps, or vibrations and just buttery smooth slide and dolly shots. The outstanding horizontal, vertical, and incline operations provide more effective energy usage for longer battery life. Trexo Slider can fit nearly in every backpack. You'll bring the professional performance everywhere you go. So we also designed Trexo Slider to be programmable without using a mobile phone. Simply move the Trexo Slider by hand and set starting and finishing points. Now you can move the slider between those 2 points without using a mobile device. Spend less time programming and more time on what really matters. Trexo Slider will always synchronize with the mobile app so that you can save, share, and play your favorite programmed movements anytime you want at the push of a button. The days of managing batteries and chargers before you're able to shoot are over. Trexo Slider provides 6 hours of continuous movement. You can even extend the battery life by simply connecting a power bank, perfect for those long time-lapse shots. With a single tap, you can convert your camera movement to a motion time-lapse without the hassle of calculations. We know that sound performance is crucial for a quality video. With the beltless design and ultra-silent motor, you'll always have clean audio when using Trexo Slider. Trexo Slider can be operated with the intuitively designed Trexo Motion app, which can also be used with the upcoming Trexo Motion products. We would like to thank the Kickstarter community for their support on our previous project, Trexo Wheels. Let's bring the Trexo Slider to life together.